Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to talk about my laptop. And now I'm a student and I have a Lenovo laptop. And my laptop, the series is IdeaPad Slim 3i. And some of the specification, the latest Intel Core i7 and supporting 16 GB of RAM and storage around 512 of storage. In my opinion, this laptop is perfect for supporting my learning about software engineering and English. Based off my experience using this laptop, it runs very smoothly, especially when I'm doing school assignment, such as creating poster or website and making a presentation slide. However, the downside of this laptop is that the battery drains very quickly. Because of that, whenever I want to use it, I always look for power outlet and plug in the charger. After finishing my assignment, I usually open games or Instagram to refresh my mind after studying for a long time. Even when I use this laptop for gaming or scrolling through social media, it still performs smoothly because the specifications are very good. However, there was one time when I used this laptop continuously until it overheat while working on assignment. My laptop started to become laggy because of the overheating. The screen froze and I could not do anything. After a while, the screen suddenly went black screen. Immediately searched for a tutorial on YouTube using my phone, and when I tried to turn the laptop back on, it finally worked again. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.